Fridge is empty and you're about to order takeout? Well, don't. This is the pasta you make when you think you have nothing. So let's get into it. And this is day 7, the finale. I've made 7 pasta recipes in 7 days, from a creamy, spicy to a Middle Eastern twist. If you missed any of the week's recipe, the full playlist is linked below. But first, this is the empty fridge pantry pasta. Here is everything you will need. Penny pasta, garlic, onion, bell pepper, broccoli, tomato paste, and heavy cream. Start with some butter along with a drizzle of oil. Once it is hot, add your chopped onion and cook for a couple of minutes until it starts to soften. Then add your pressed or finely minced garlic and cook for another 30 seconds just until fragrant. Once the onion is soft and translucent, it is time for the veggies. I will use 1 green bell pepper and 1 red bell pepper. To that, I will also add some broccoli, and that's the beauty of this recipe. You can add whatever veggies you have. I usually have bell peppers on hand, but mushrooms, corn, zucchini, or even spinach would all work great too. And tell me, what would you add to that? Okay, so now once the veggies have softened, let's make the sauce. Add the tomato paste. With that, I will add some seasoning, salt, black pepper, and Italian seasoning. If you have tomato sauce instead of tomato paste, you can use that as well. By the way, if you have seen any of my videos before, you know I always cook the tomato paste for a minute or two before mixing everything together. It deepens the flavor and makes such a big difference. Now pour in the heavy cream if you don't have any. Milk works too. Now lower the heat to medium and continue cooking and mixing the cream. I also like to add a little ketchup, just 1 teaspoon. It won't make the pasta sweet. It just adds a touch of sweetness that balances the acidity of the tomato paste. Add your cooked pasta. I'm using penny, but any pasta shape works. Look how delicious this pasta looks. If you are enjoying this recipe so far, give this video a like. To finish, add some parsley on top, just about 1 tablespoon, and stir in some cream cheese for an extra rich and creamy sauce. If you want that stretchy melted cheese ball, you can also add some mozzarella. Give everything one final mix, taste and adjust the salt and black pepper if needed. I am giving you plenty of alternatives throughout this recipe because I do want you to use whatever you already have sitting in your fridge instead of going out to buy ingredients just for one dinner. It's all about making cooking easier. Next up, we are starting a salad recipe series, so make sure you are following along. You will not want to miss it. And that is it. An easy, delicious pasta you can make with whatever you already have in your fridge. I hope this recipe makes dinner a little easier for you and honestly quicker. And this was day 7 of 7. The 7-day pasta series is complete. Drop your favorite pasta dish below because I already know which one is my favorite. And get ready because this 7-day summer salad series starts next. So make sure you are subscribed. Thank you for watching Meals by Mary, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.